All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to build out project number 17, which is Adobe Animate 2022 Ultimate Guide. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be compositing this video that I've already created with some graphics that I'm going to give you. And we're going to kind of increase the engagement of this video by adding some effects, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is go to learntechprojectfiles.com. We're going to click on Adobe AfterEffects 2022 projects, and I want to go down to project number 17, which is Adobe Animate 2022 Ultimate Guide. So I'll click on that, we'll download the file, and while that's downloading, let's go to AfterEffects and set up our project file. So click on New Project, go to File, Save As, and we're going to click on Projects and follow the formula here that we have for the previous 16 projects, which is 14 projects. Okay, so we're going to create a new folder, and let's do 17, project number 17 dash Adobe Animate 2022 Ultimate Guide. There we go. I'm going to hit Command A, Command C to copy. So Command A selects all, Command C copies, hit Create, and then we're going to label the untitled project the same as the folder. Okay. I'll save that. We'll go back to Firefox, grab our downloaded file, and I will bring that over to Documents, and then I'll bring that into Projects and go to number 17. We'll double click on the uncompressed file to uncompress the file. Then let's look at the graphics. So we have Introduction, Benefits, What You Will Learn, Students, Requirements, Thank You, and the promo video itself. Okay, let's go back to After Effects. Right-click on the project panel, import the file, and then we're going to select all the files inside of 17, okay? Project number 17, Adobe Animate 2022 Ultimate Guide, hit open, bring that in, let's bring it to the composition, and we have the promo video here. So we can scrub through, and you can see where we can add some graphics to kind of give people more engagement on this video, okay? So we have it here, and then we have it at the end, and then I have the Learn Tech Plus logo, okay? So you know who it's created by. But I don't have anything in between here, and so that's where I want to do the compositing to add some effects to that so we can do introduction. And what we'll do is I'll select all of them, and we'll just bring them all in, okay? And then what we're going to do is, because we have them all selected, okay, we can move it down, and I can turn this one off. Let's turn that one off. Then we have benefits. So I can highlight all of these, and I can bring it over here. We can put it down here, wherever you want to. And if I just select all the layers and bring them all in, we can position all that right here. Now, I haven't been showing you this because I want you to do it kind of manually. And so we'll shrink that down, and then we'll put it right here. And actually, let's undo that. Let's grab all of these and put them right here. Okay. So when I do that and I unselect it, then we have Benefits, Introduction. Okay. And it's real smooth. So now we can start to build out the effects. Okay. So we can select all these and move them past here, okay? And then I can deselect this one by hitting Command and then clicking on the layer that I want to deselect. I can push these to 20 seconds. So now I have 10 seconds roughly to work on this one and get it the way that I want it, and then we can go to the next one. So what I'm going to do is we'll go inside of Transform, hit Opacity, which we all know is my favorite effect. And then we'll push this over to 10 seconds, put that to 100%, and then bring that over to here for 0%. See how that animation goes. And if I like it, we'll keep it. If not, we'll... Okay, let's extend this out to about 30 seconds. Okay, so what we can do, I'll delete this keyframe then. And what I want to do is I want it to kind of fade in quickly and then jump cut out, which is my favorite effect, as we all know. So I'll bring this one over, okay, which is going to be benefits. And then I can cut that down or trim it down to here. And then from there, we can go to, I can select these three and move them down, way down. And then when I play this, what you'll learn, okay, we go to 30 seconds. I'll bring that down to here, and then I can bring this one over, which will be students. Okay, we can go to 40 seconds. I can cut that down. Or try to. Sort of. There we go. We can cut this down. And then with this, I can cut this down. To here, and then from there we can do thank you. Okay. And then we can take this to the thumbnail. Which is right there. So then I can shrink this down quite a bit. And where we have our cursor, that's our marker. So we're not going to go any further than that. So I can save this. And there you go. Now we're dangerous. Okay, so if we scrub through and kind of see what we did the same effect. Okay, and then we did jump cut. But this time what we did is instead of having to position every single one by one, what I did is I selected all the layers, brought them all in, positioned them where we wanted them, and then added the effects. So we're going to be doing that with the next 4 projects. We're going to do different effects other than a fade. We're going to have like a rotate, all sorts of different kind of cool effects to just vary kind of the compositing that you can do in After Effects. Okay, so I really enjoyed bringing this to you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.